Hi, there was an interesting article in the journal called Accounting Today, which is called "Is Your Marketing Strategic?" And like a lot of pieces that are written for accountants about marketing, I think this article attempts to sort of put marketing in the context of doing marketing the same way that accountants do accounting. And while the article was interesting, I didn't say it was good. And I'm going to tell you why this article wasn't good, and I want to talk about the points, the two very important points that this article really misses. So this article, it was in Accounting Today. It was the January 22nd edition called "Is Your Marketing Strategic?" It says that accountants who want to get new business, new clients, really good clients, need to do 4 things with their marketing program. They need to establish a budget, which of course is a very much accounting thing to do. They need to allocate their budget to the different priorities that are included in that budget. Sounds like accountants, right? They need to set goals and expectations. Accountants are famous for doing that. And then of course they need to sit down periodically and review the things that they've been doing in the context of the budget that they've set and their goals and revise and improve and so on. Now, I don't disagree with any of these comments, but this article misses 2 really, really important points that I want to talk about. And those are as follows. The article only barely touches on CPAs being differentiated from their competition, or what we might call branding. What sets you as a CPA or your CPA firm apart from the other CPAs that you're competing with for the best clients? That is only mentioned, that term branding or differentiation is basically only touched on in the article, not discussed at all. And then secondly, the entire focus of the marketing program, according to this article, "Is Your Marketing Strategic?" is geared towards new lead generation and getting new clients, which I think is also a mistake. The first thing I want to talk about is this branding and differentiation piece. I don't care how good your budget is, how much money you set aside for marketing as a CPA. If you don't really have anything that differentiates yourself in the marketplace from the competition, all the marketing plans that you have, all the sales strategies that you use are not going to be very effective, because if you are not differentiated from your competition, you're basically going to be selling price-based commodities, getting back to this concept of firm of the future, the things that the accounting profession has been historically known for, doing tax returns and financial statements. Those things are price-based commodities. The first thing that the new prospect always asks is, how much do you charge to do a 1040? How much do you charge to prepare a financial statement? Totally based on price. To be successful at getting new business, you've got to really be able to brand or differentiate yourself in the marketplace. Whether that might be with a strategic approach to, say, an industry, you're known as, say, the defense contracting expert, or the expert on the new sustainability accounting standards. That might be one way to do it. A particular industry is obviously, I think, the first choice for differentiation. But whatever it might be, you've got to differentiate yourself. And we think a great way to differentiate yourself, because your best clients are expecting you to be the most trusted advisor, is to have surrounding you the best network of all the resources that your very best clients could possibly need, that your very best prospects could possibly need. I mean, what a tremendous way to differentiate yourself from your competition. If you can say to any prospect or existing client, whatever it is that you need that's financial related, we can get this done for you, even if that's not CPA centric. It's an incredible opportunity for branding and differentiation to be a part of the LG experience, because it allows the CPA to plug into all of these different resources: estate planning, succession planning, life insurance, business valuation, cost segregation. It's an incredible opportunity for branding and differentiation. And that's, I think, one of the points that this article, "Is Your Marketing Strategic?" missing. Most CPAs, over 90% of the profession, I would argue, have been totally and completely incapable of differentiating themselves from the competition. And so I think the LG experience provides an incredible opportunity for that marketing to become effective, because of your ability now to all of a sudden be branded, to be differentiated in the marketplace. Yes, establishing budgets, etc., are important. But if the consumer can't tell you apart from anybody else, all the marketing work in the world isn't going to work. So good effort by Accounting Today, not quite good enough.